Here you go. The steak you ordered.
Wait, I didn't order steak. I ordered pasta.
Oh no!
Hey everyone, welcome back to EnglishUp. I'm Mike.
And I'm Sarah.
Today's episode, when the wrong order becomes a treat.
Ooh, a restaurant story. I love these. Mike, what's your absolute favorite restaurant order?
Honestly, anything with pasta. I could eat spaghetti every single day.
Same here. I'm a sucker for fettuccine alfredo.
No, I'm hungry. So, what's our story?
A girl who just wanted pasta, but got something completely different.
What did she actually get?
You'll see, and it gets even better. But before we listen, let's preview the 3 key words you'll need to follow the story. Coming up next, vocabulary preview.
Vocabulary preview.
3 key words today. First, menu.
Menu.
Mike, what's a menu?
It's the list of food you can order at a restaurant. Some have pictures, some are just text.
Right. And in fancy places, the menu changes every season.
Some restaurants don't even have prices on the menu, which is scary.
Yeah, then you really don't want to ask. Next word, order.
Order.
When you order, what are you doing?
You're asking the waiter to bring you the food you want.
Exactly. You can also order food online or order coffee at a cafe.
Last word, waiter.
The waiter is the person who takes your order and brings the food.
Some restaurants now call them servers. Same job, just newer word.
Menu, order, waiter. With those in your pocket, you're ready. Let's hear today's conversation.
This menu has so many choices. Pasta, steak, sushi. I think I'll order the pasta.
Great choice. The pasta. I'll be right back.
Where is the waiter? I'm so hungry I might go into a food coma just from waiting.
Here you go. The steak you ordered.
Wait, I didn't order steak. I ordered pasta.
Oh no, I'm so sorry. Let me fix this right away.
Actually, wait. The steak looks amazing. Could I just keep it?
Are you sure? I can still bring the pasta if you want.
No. The steak smells incredible. I'll take it.
Perfect. And because of our mistake, this steak is on the house.
Free steak? You're kidding.
Not at all. Enjoy. And try our chocolate cake later. It's to die for.
Best dinner ever. Could I ask for the check after dessert?
Of course. Take your time.
Wow. Okay, that cake really was to die for. I think I'm in a real food coma now.
Here's your check. And remember, if you bring friends, you can split the bill.
What just happened?
What a lucky mistake.
Right? I love when restaurants make mistakes, right like that.
You know, this happened to me once. The waiter brought the wrong drink, and they let me keep it for free.
Oh, nice. What was the drink?
A really fancy cocktail. Way better than my boring iced tea.
So, always be polite to your server.
Exactly. Good karma comes back. And bigger drinks.
Anyway, that was a fun story. After the break, we'll break down 5 super useful restaurant phrases you can use right away. Stay with us.
Language takeaway.
Split the bill.
Split the bill.
What does that mean?
It means to divide the cost equally. So if dinner is $60 and 3 friends are eating, each pays $20.
The waiter mentioned it. If you bring friends, you can split the bill.
Let's split the bill 3 ways. Or should we split the bill or pay separately?
On the house.
On the house.
On the house means free, paid by the restaurant. Mia got her steak on the house.
Or the owner gave us free dessert on the house. Or drinks are on the house tonight.
To die for.
To die for. It means extremely delicious, like the chocolate cake in our story.
Their pizza is to die for. Or this sushi is absolutely to die for.
Now, this is a fun one. Food coma.
Food coma.
When you eat too much and feel super sleepy. Mia mentioned it twice.
After Thanksgiving, everyone's in a food coma. Or that huge burger put me in a food coma.
Ask for the check.
Ask for the check means request the bill. Mia did this at the end of her meal.
Excuse me, can I ask for the check, please?
Those are the phrases. Now, before we wrap up, let's take a quick look at how restaurants work differently in Taiwan and the US. Cultural note coming up.
Cultural note.
In Taiwan, you usually pay at the counter when you leave. The waiter doesn't bring you the bill, and tipping is not common.
In the US, the waiter brings the check to your table, and tipping is expected, usually 15 to 20% of the total.
So, in America, your dinner is actually more expensive than the menu price.
Always remember the tip. Now that you know all the words and phrases, let's listen to the conversation one more time. You'll catch even more this round.
This menu has so many choices. I think I'll order the pasta.
Great choice. I'll be right back.
Where is the waiter? I might go into a food coma from waiting.
Here you go. The steak you ordered.
Wait, I didn't order steak. Actually, the steak looks amazing. Could I just keep it?
Because of our mistake, this steak is on the house.
Free steak? You're kidding.
Try the chocolate cake. It's to die for.
Could I ask for the check after dessert?
Of course. And bring friends next time. You can split the bill.
Today's recap.
Today's 3 words: menu, order, waiter. And our phrases: split the bill, on the house, to die for, food coma, and ask for the check.
Use these next time you eat out. They're super common in everyday American English.
Now we want to hear from you. What's your favorite restaurant story? Did you ever get something on the house?
Tell us in the comments. And what's the most to die for dish you've ever tried?
Comment below. Also, let us know what topic you want next. Food? Travel? School?
If this helped you, please like and subscribe. It means the world to us.
And always be nice to your waiter. They might just give you something on the house. See you next time on English Up. Bye!